Hello, I'm Ivan, and in this video we will talk about how to create a new tasks in your project in Microsoft Project Pro. As you can see, I have already opened Microsoft Project Pro and I have created a new blank plan. I recommend to open a Grand chart view and I show different way how you can create a new task. First of all, you can add the name of the task in the task name. For example, I enter task 1, task 2 and maybe task 3. Like in Microsoft Excel, you can add the new tasks, and as you can see, Microsoft Project Pro has added the base task information, its duration, start and finish date, and other information. You can edit it. For example, I can enter the 5 days for the first task and 4 days, 3 days. Okay. If you don't find the necessary column, you can click the right button here and select Insert Column Item. Okay. And enter the column name, for example, maybe cost, or you can select it in this list. Okay. And now I can enter the task information in this column. You can add the new task between some tasks. For example, I want to add task between task 1 and task 2. I stand at the task 2 and I press Insert K in my keyboard. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have added the blank row and we can add the task 4. Also, you can add the new task if you click the right button and select Insert Task Item here. Okay. And after that, you have to rename this task. Task 5. You can move this task. You must click the number of the task. You can select the same task, and after that click the left button and move it. Okay. You can delete this task. Click the right button and click the delete task item here. Okay. Or you can delete this task, click the task number and press the delete key on your keyboard. Okay. Also, you can enter the task from the other Microsoft apps. For example, you can select the row in the Excel worksheet or maybe in the Word document. You can select some task name, copy this task name, and after that stand at the empty row and click the paste button here, and as you can see we have the new task. You can select not only the task name, you can select the task duration, start and finish date, and paste it. And last, you can add the new task if you click the task item in the top menu and click the task button in the right button. Okay. After that, don't forget the rename this task 6, for example. You can also add the recurrence task. You can also add the blank row. How to add the recurring task, I will tell you in the next part of this video after a little break. let's take a little break. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my video. It's very pleasure. And invite you to my YouTube channel. Here you can find my videos on approaches and math or project management and tutorial videos about Microsoft project management tools. Subscribe to my channel and you will be notified of new videos. And don't forget about likes and donuts. It will help me create new video. Also, I want to invite you on my website. Here you can find a lot of free materials on various topics. The materials has a video, task description and chat where can you ask your questions. If you need more practice, you can take online courses. In online courses, you can step by step learn approaches and math or project management using Microsoft tools. If you have unique questions or issues, write to our team and we will organize and conduct a consultation where we find solutions of all your questions. I hope it was helpful to you and keep going. Okay, in this part we will talk about how to add the recurrence tasks in your project in Microsoft Project Pro. For example, you want to add meetings in your project. It can be meetings with the team or stakeholders. Click the empty row and after that click the task item in the top menu and task button in the ribbon. Select the recurrence task item and enter the task name. It can be meeting. Okay. After that, you have to set up duration of our task. 1 day it's enough for our meetings. And next step, you have to set the recurrence pattern. You can have these meetings every week, every month, every year. You must to set up the day of year or day of month, or you can select the weekly and set the Monday for our meetings. Every Monday we have meetings with our teams or stakeholders. After that, you have to set the range of recurrence. You can set the add of our recurrence. It can be 1 year. Or you can select this bottom and set the occurrence. It can be 20 occurrence for this meeting. Also, you can set the calendar for these tasks. I have to use the known. It means I want to use the project calendar. To create our new recurrence task, click the OK button. As you can see, we have the block with 20 meetings, and we can use it as the tasks of our project. We can link it with other tasks, and we can edit. Double click here and we can edit in this window, or select this task and click the information button in the ribbon. You can edit too. As you can see, it's so easy. If you have some questions, add it after this video, and I try to help you. I think this video was helpful for you, and thank you, and see you in another video.